So in this problem here, we're graphing quadratics without technology. And when we have this particular function here, we have to recognize that this tells us the vertex, but this particular value is opposite of what you expect. So the vertex is actually positive 3, 2. It's positive 3, 2. Here is the vertex. And I also know that this 2 in front here is a vertical stretch. Typically, if it's just the x squared graph, I know I start at 0, 0, and I go up 1 over 1, 1, 1, up 2 over 4, so 2, 4. But when I have this vertical stretch, this y value gets multiplied by 2. So it's actually going to be up 2 over 2, up 8, up 1 over 2. So if I do it from here, I'm going to go over 1, up not 1 but rather 2, over 2, and up 8, which will actually be off the page. And so if I go over 1, up 2, so my graph is going to be approximately something like this. So it's a skinnier graph with this vertex of 3, 2, and these particular x-intercepts. And that's how we can graph without technology.